Hello everyone! Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Now this first one I thought was really cool. You're pretty much making handprints in the sand on the canvas. I think that this would be a really simple and easy, fun project to do, a great one that you could do with your kids, the whole family, and just kind of frame everyone's fingerprints within the sand. I love this idea. You could also mix in footprints too. I think that would be really cute. Great little simple, easy project to try out. So next up we have different foliage being used on canvas. So if you really want to try out your own artwork design or something that you can do on canvas, there are so many different projects that you can try out. I thought that this one was really cool as well. Such a beautiful piece, and what I like about this is obviously you can use any kind of design that you want, any kind of foliage, just a really cool DIY. And then we have this candle. So I actually thought that this was something that this person made, but I guess it's just like a lamp. Oh, so it's a lamp that heats up your candles. Wow, I've never seen that before. Wow, I bet this smells absolutely amazing. That is really cool. I never knew that there was such a thing. A lamp for a candle. Now I have seen it all. Also, how pretty is that base that she has going there in the back? Oh, and it has a timer on it too. Wow, that is really convenient. Very cool idea. And you know, like we're in the fall, winter season now, and it is so relaxing to have the candles going. So this might be a great little item to check out. Alright, so next up we have a DIY table. So we already saw the end result. This particular creator does an amazing job on her project. She's very creative. And this table, of course, has like that bohemian style fluted theme to it, which is very popular right now. And then she also goes in with some paint, sticking to that neutral theme. So she put something at the top there. Oh, this is like a little sink. Wow, okay. That is pretty impressive. All right, so moving on to the next one, we have some cardboard here. Some type of fuzzy material. Oh, lots of cardboard for this one. And with the last DIY, I wouldn't say that that was necessarily a sink. I guess it's just like a cool way to pump out some water and act as like a table. So it's kind of like a fountain kind of thing. I don't know what you guys want to call it. I thought it was pretty cool though. Alright, so we have the fuzzies being added, all that cardboard and some cushion. Looks like she's making an ottoman, maybe? Oh, that was cool. Okay. So the next one involves a jar. Some glitter. I'm gonna guess that they're making like a decorative candle holder. Really easy project if that is what they're making. Yep, very cute. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.